A very warm welcome to KSG India Explainer video. The topic of the video is the TRP scam. In the ongoing TRP scam, where 3 channels have been accused of manipulating their television rating point, the Broadcast Audience Research Council on October 18, 2020 expressed its disappointment with Republic Network for disclosing their private and confidential communication and misrepresenting the same. Mumbai Police Commissioner said that police is looking into a scam about manipulation of TRPs by rigging the devices used by the Broadcast Audience Research Council in India, which has the mandate to measure television audience. In simple terms, TRPs represent how many people from which socioeconomic categories watch which channels for how much time during a particular period. This could be for 1 hour, a day, or even a week. India follows the international standard of 1 minute. The data is usually made public every week. A consultation paper about television audience measurement and ratings in India, floated by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India in 2018, defined its importance as, on the basis of the audience measurement data, ratings are assigned to various programs on television. Television ratings in turn influence programs produced for the viewers. Better ratings would promote a program, while poor ratings will discourage a program. Incorrect ratings will lead to a production of programs which may not be really popular, while good programs may be left out. A FICCI EY report on India's media and entertainment industry for last year said the size of the TV industry was Rs 78,700 crores last year, and TRPs are the main currency for advertisers to decide which channel to advertise by calculating the cost per rating point, CPRP. It is an industry body jointly owned by advertisers, ad agencies, and broadcasting companies represented by the Indian Society of Advertisers, the Indian Broadcasting Foundation, and the Advertising Agencies Association of India. It was created in 2010. The INB Ministry notified the policy guidelines for television rating agencies in India on January 10, 2014 and registered BARC in July 2015 under these guidelines to carry out television ratings in India. BARC has installed barometers in over 45,000 empaneled households. These households are classified into 12 categories under the new consumer classification system, the so-called new SEC, adopted by BARC in 2015 based on the education level of the main wage earner and the ownership of consumer durables from a list of 11 items ranging from an electricity connection to a car. While watching the show, members of the household register their presence by pressing their viewer ID button. Every person in the household has a separate ID, thus capturing the duration for which the channel was watched and providing the data on viewership habits across age and socioeconomic groups. The panel chosen to capture TRPs must be representative of the country's population, and the methodology must be economically viable for the industry. If broadcasters can find the households where devices are installed, they can either bribe them to watch their channels or ask cable operators or multi-system operators to ensure their channel is available as the landing page when the TV is switched on. For TRPs, it does not matter what the entire country is watching, but essentially what the 45,000 odd households supposed to represent TV viewership of the country have watched. Broadcasters can target these households to fudge actual viewership data. In the 2018 consultation paper, TRI said one of the biggest challenges has been the absence of any specific law through which the agents suspects involved in the panel tampering or infiltration could be penalized. It noted that the BARC has filed FIRs in various police stations against the agents or suspects involved in the panel tampering infiltration, but its efforts to mitigate panel tampering or infiltration have been hampered due to absence of any legal framework. So ladies and gentlemen, that was all about the TRP scam. Thank you so very much for watching KSG India Explainer. Our videos are completely based on the practice of UPSC examination. In case you have any suggestions, kindly drop them in the comment section. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned.